Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is this for amazing Black Forest cheesecake. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we melted some butter, and now we're going to add our digestive biscuits into the food processor. Give them a quick blitz grind, just make sure they're into a fine crumb. And to that then we add the melted butter. Just pulse that a few times until the mixture all comes together. Now we take a buttered cake tin and we add our digestive biscuit mixture to it. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make more videos for you. Press that down and then we'll pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Overnight if you can, this helps the mixture firm up. Now we're going to make our filling. So into our stand mixer we add the cream cheese. Then we add the icing sugar. Give that a quick whisk until it's all combined. While this is whisking, we take some brown and white chocolate, pop it into a bowl, and just throw it into the microwave for a few seconds until it melts. To that then we start to add our melted dark and white chocolate. When that's ready, then we start to add in our fresh cream. Continue to whisk until it starts to form a mousse-like consistency. So now that our mousse is ready, we're going to drain our cherries. Just take them out of a bowl and drain the kirsch liquid off them. Take the cherries over and we're just going to pop them into the mousse mixture. Give that a quick stir around just to make sure that the cherries are all mixed through. Now that the cherries are all mixed in, we're going to go over and we're going to add the mousse mixture on top of the chilled base. Just make sure you get all of the mixture out of the bowl. So flatten the mixture down and then pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours to set. While our mousse and cheesecake is setting, we're going to make some kirsch syrup. So we take the kirsch liquid from the cherries, pop it into a saucepan, put it onto a medium heat and let it reduce by about half. This will then form a really thick syrup. Pop that to the side, let it cool. Now we're going to make our cream cheese and cream topping. So we take some fresh cream, add our icing sugar, then some vanilla paste, give that a whisk round till it starts to form peaks. Now that it's slightly firmer, we're going to add the cream cheese. This gives it a vanilla cheesecake mixture flavour on top. And now we whisk it until it starts to form peaks and it's pipable. So we take the chilled mousse and biscuit base out of the fridge, remove it from the cake tin and set it onto a serving plate. Now we take our fresh cream and cream cheese mixture from earlier and we start to pipe it onto the cheesecake mixture. Make sure the whole of the cheesecake is covered. Now we take the cherry syrup from earlier and we add in our cherries. Give those a good stir around, make sure that they're all covered in the syrup. Then we start to add them to the top of the cheesecake. This part of the job is actually particularly sticky. Then we take the last of the remaining syrup and we drizzle it over the top of the cheesecake. Then we take some shaved dark and white chocolate and we sprinkle it over the top. And our cheesecake is now ready to serve. So as you can see, the syrup has run down the side of the cheesecake. It's really tasty looking, so let's serve. Now folks, if you do find value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And again, thanks for watching. Watch to the end for some more of my videos.